This issue of pollinator health really is at the core of the debate around where we are with regard to agriculture and the environment. It's more than just ag with regard to our industry.
It's about what kind of agriculture and how has agriculture been changing the landscape and affecting habitat. So it's actually a broader issue than just honeybees, and I don't think many of us have really come to grapple with what does that mean.
We all need to be in this together, and for me, I mean, that's kind of my main message, and I think what I'd like to leave the group with is, you know, we represent the non-ag interests of everybody in this room and then some. And we're in this too. For the companies that RISE and CLA represent, it is every customer they serve. So it impacts golf and lawn care and pest control, just like it does almonds and cotton and those groups, those other commodity groups.
We realize that this has become not a science issue, but more of a political issue. I think that's been alluded to here.
That is, so much of the work that has been done is done as lab studies. Now, it's one thing to take a bunch of bees, put them in a cage, stick them in the laboratory. It's easy to control. However, what we're finding is those are not good predictors of what's going to happen with a colony. There's a vast difference between having a cage of 30 bees and having a colony with 30,000 bees.
We look at the agricultural landscape to improve forage, but also non-ag landscapes, public lands, privately managed lands, to see where can that fit in to help improve the forage picture, because this is not just a black and white issue.
Things we also need to do is we need to expand how we look at this, how we test things like residues or pesticide effects, and test things at a colony level. The lab study is a nice first step.